Hey guys, in this video let's check out Apple's masterpiece, and by masterpiece I mean this Apple AirPods 2. These are the refreshed version of the first gen AirPods. So let's continue guys, keep watching the video. What's up guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Sagar, and on every Friday I come up with new videos on topics like unboxing, reviews related to tech, movies and web series, hauls, travel videos, self-help and DIYs. So if you like any of this topic, hit on the subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is up. So these are the AirPods 2 guys. They come in this kind of a white packaging. Let's open them up. Here comes the upper lid. They have a booklet with designed by Apple in California written over it. It has some paperwork with the first one having AirPods written over it. This is the user manual guys. It has all the information regarding the pairing of the AirPods to the iPhone. Second one is the safety and handling guide, having the precautions that we are supposed to take for the safety of the AirPods. And the third one is the 1-year limited warranty that you get along with the AirPods. Apple covers all the manufacturing defects in it. And these are the AirPods guys. We'll get them out. Here they come out. We'll keep them aside and check what else is in the box. Here comes the pull tag out. We'll keep the box aside as well. So this is an USB to Lightning connector guys. This is similar to the one which you get along with the iPhones and the iPads. We will use it to charge the AirPods. We'll take a look at the AirPods now. So these are the AirPods. They are covered by some plastic covering. We'll remove it out. This is how the AirPods 2 look. This is the front and that's the back. At the back we have something engraved over here. It says designed by Apple in California. Down below we have a button which can be used to pair the AirPods with non-Apple devices. Now let's open the AirPods and check them out. We can see a white light blinking, which means they are ready to pair. I'll get my iPhone to pair the AirPods with it. Please stay tuned. Here I am guys. I got my iPhone. Now I'll pair the AirPods to my iPhone. We can see the white LED blinking. Now let's turn the Bluetooth on. And we can see something's popping up from the bottom of my screen. It says connect. Let's connect it. It's connected guys. We can see it. We can see the LED indicator changing from white to green. So when we open the lid, we can see the charge status. I'll plug them in my ears. And keep the case aside. Now let's see whether they're connected to my iPhone. Yes, we can see Sagar's AirPods connected. So let's go into the settings and check what settings are available. We can see there Sagar's AirPods connected. Let's see the settings available for it. We have the double tap settings for both the AirPods. For left it's set to next track, and for right we'll change it to play and pause. So we can see automatic ear detection is on and the microphone is set to automatic. Now I'll check the functionality test of the AirPods. For that I'll have to play some song. We will do that with Apple Music. So we'll play this song guys. The song's playing. So now I'll double tap my left AirPod. It changes the song guys. You can see it on my screen. The songs are changing. On double tapping the right AirPod, the song pauses, and if I double tap it again, the song plays. We can see it there. So now we'll try plugging out the AirPod and see whether the music pauses. Here you go. The music has paused, and when I plug it back in, the music plays from where it had stopped. Now let's see what Siri comes out with. Hey Siri, how's the weather? We can see guys, Siri shows us the weather report. Here it is. So everything does work fine guys. I'll take the AirPods out and put them back in the case. If you are a music freak like me and have most of the Apple products with you, AirPods are a better choice to go with rather than spending money on some other earphones. And that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it and it was helpful to you. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel down below. I'll see you again on the coming Friday with a new video. Bye guys.